Sometimes convenience wins. When you don't have time to cook, the big question becomes, which food delivery service is actually worth using? Every app promises the same thing. Order your food, get it delivered fast. But not all delivery services offer the same experience. To figure out which company customers trust the most, we reviewed 912 survey responses and compared 3 key factors: how well companies resolve problems, whether customers would recommend the service to others, and overall satisfaction based on real customer reviews. So which food delivery service came out on top? We also stacked this year's rankings against last year's results. And let's just say the number 1 spot didn't stay the same. Key insights. Concerns about customer service and issue resolution were the most cited consumer issues. Consumers rarely complain about food quality. We discovered that unexpected costs and problems with refund requests were the most frequently complained about consumer issues with food delivery apps. Even the best-rated food delivery services struggled to resolve customers' issues when they arose, resulting in 12.84% of complaints being about customer service. In this year's ranking, Postmates replaces Uber Eats as the worst food delivery service, while Instacart beats Grubhub for the best food delivery app. Most common issues with food delivery services. When you are hungry and looking forward to a delicious meal, it's important to consider which food delivery is better than the competition. A poor customer experience can leave a bad taste in your mouth. Across more than 120,000 food delivery reviews on PissConsumer, consumer issues relating to cost topped the list of complaints, with 22% complaining about refunds and 18% about unexpected fees and charges. Poor customer service issues were next on the menu, with 16% of consumers highlighting issues with order cancellation and 13% about the quality of customer service. Interestingly, only a small percentage, less than 5% total, of people were concerned about the food delivery problems like wrong address deliveries, cold food, and wrong orders. This suggests that the problem consumers face with the most popular delivery services is customer service quality rather than food quality. Food delivery services ranked. We ranked the various food delivery services based on consumer replies to our survey. The rating reflects a combination of the highest issue resolution and customer satisfaction rates following the consumer's interaction with customer support and, ultimately, their likelihood of recommending the company to family, friends, and colleagues as measured by the Net Promoter Score, NPS. Here's how food delivery services rank from worst to best in 2026. So, let's break down these figures and discover how consumers really feel about these food delivery services. Postmates. Good deals, incorrect orders. Postmates is an on-demand delivery service that allows users to order food, groceries, and everyday essentials from local stores and restaurants. In December 2020, Uber acquired Postmates. However, despite the integration of services, the Postmates app remained independent. Postmates offers its membership program at $9.99 per month with a 1-month free trial. Postmates Unlimited offers subscribers $0 delivery fees and a 5% discount on restaurant orders over $15 and grocery orders over $30. Now, at the bottom of our list of the best and worst food delivery services, Postmates actually has a lower star rating than Uber Eats, with just 1.4 stars out of possible 5. Based on more than 13.4K Postmates reviews on PissConsumer, customers said they appreciated the company for its convenience, competitive deals, and fast delivery. However, many also reported issues with reaching customer service and receiving incorrect orders. This recent review, number 6957737, describes an issue many customers found. When there's a problem, there is no way to resolve it. The customer complained that they never got my order and on one ever answered phone. They got very bad service on one hand and no service on the other. While many reviews highlight issues with Postmates customer service, the company did have the highest percentage of issue resolution on the survey, with 0% of customers stating their problems were resolved. This result shifts Postmates to being ranked as the worst food delivery service, according to consumers. Despite this, 14.3% of those surveyed said they would recommend the service, giving Postmates an overall score of 343. Uber Eats. Long delivery times, missing orders. Uber Eats, which was spun out of the Uber ride-sharing app, is a big name in food delivery. It operates in over 11,000 cities across 45 countries, connecting users with a wide range of local restaurants and grocery stores. Uber has its membership program, Uber One. It provides subscribers with benefits across Uber services. For $9.99 per month or $96 annually, members enjoy $0 delivery fees on eligible food and grocery orders, up to 10% off eligible deliveries and pickups, and 6% Uber cashback on qualifying rides. With more than 56.3K Uber Eats reviews on Piss Consumer, it's fair to say that this company is one of the most popular delivery services. While many reviewers praise this business for its convenience and attractive deals, others reported frustrations with the inability to reach Uber Eats' customer service team, along with problems such as long delivery times and missing orders. With the advent of technology, a new problem is emerging for Uber Eats, as shared in a recent review, number 7109542. Uber Eats switched to a robot for delivery, but when the bot arrived, it couldn't deliver the order. The customer support offered the frustrated customer a 2.00 refund on a $49.95 order. This kind of experience is reflected in Uber Eats receiving a 1.6 star rating out of 5 on Piss Consumer, with only 38.7% of issues resolved and only 12.1% of those surveyed saying they would recommend the service to a friend or colleague. Uber Eats has an overall Piss Consumer score of 848. Grubhub. Good food options, reasonable prices. Founded in 2004, Grubhub was one of the first platforms to introduce digitized menus to restaurants, allowing users to order food online. Now, this food delivery has over 24.6 million active customers and partners with a wide range of restaurants across hundreds of cities in the United States. With such a wide range of options, Grubhub has rightfully become the best food delivery app, according to consumers. As many other services, Grubhub has its membership program. Grubhub Plus offers $0 delivery fees on orders over $12 from participating restaurants, along with exclusive offers and a 5% credit back on pickup orders. Priced at $9.99 per month, Grubhub Plus is also included for free with Amazon Prime memberships. With over 5K Grubhub reviews on Piss Consumer, this app is praised for being easy to use, offering many different food options, and having reasonable prices. However, just because Grubhub is ranked by reviewers on Piss Consumer as a top food delivery service, it doesn't mean that the company doesn't struggle with some of the same issues impacting the worst food delivery services. These challenges include poor access to customer services, lengthy delivery times, and limited resolution options. These challenges are reflected in reviews like this, number 6985188, where a customer did not receive their order and was not able to get help from customer service. That was my first and last time to use this service. The customer service rep said I had taken too many deductions, and yet this was my first and only time using Grubhub. Perhaps due to reviews like this, Grubhub only scores 1.8 stars out of possible 5. However, Grubhub also has a customer satisfaction rating of 32.1%. This gives the food delivery service an overall score of 1058. DoorDash. Convenient but unprofessional driver behavior. DoorDash is one of the most popular on-demand delivery services in the United States, holding 67% of the market share. But it doesn't quite hit the top spot when it comes to the best food delivery service, according to Piss Consumer users. Despite coming in second place on the Piss Consumer survey, DoorDash still only scores 1.9 stars out of 5 across more than 27.4K online reviews. In common with the other food delivery service reviews featured in this survey, DoorDash offers a $9.99 subscription. Members can enjoy $0 delivery fees and reduced service fees on orders over $12 from eligible restaurants, special offers, and access to member-exclusive menu items. The company is praised for its levels of convenience and speed. However, it does again have problems with access to customer service and missing orders. Consumers on Piss Consumer also believe the service is expensive compared to competition. This recent review on Piss Consumer outlines the issues customers have with DoorDash, including orders that have been dropped, delivered incorrectly, or delayed. DoorDash needs to take accountability for delivery drivers' mistakes. DoorDash really needs to take accountability for the unprofessional behavior of many of its drivers. Despite suffering from many of the same issues faced by its competition, DoorDash does have a solid customer service satisfaction rate, scoring just under 50%. And at 26.9%, the second highest percentage of people saying they would recommend its services to friends or colleagues. This gives DoorDash an overall score of 1,276, placing it only 25 points behind the highest ranking service. Instacart, speedy delivery, problems with overcharging, moving from mid-table to the top in our ranking of the best and worst food delivery services. Instacart is another popular delivery service. However, it mostly focuses on groceries, connecting users with personal shoppers who pick up items from stores like Costco, Safeway, Aldi, and Kroger. After registration, users can get 3 free deliveries, and with Instacart Express, they get $0 delivery fees on orders over $35 and the ability to order from multiple retailers in a single delivery without extra charges. With more than 5.6K Instacart reviews on PIS Consumer, this company is actually rated higher than any other service on this survey. However, with just 2 stars out of possible 5, and the rating distribution is 75% negative, this does highlight the significant issues consumers face across the entire industry. Convenience and delivery speed are again highlighted as positive reasons to use the Instacart service. However, consumers also highlight issues relating to Instacart's customer service, refunds, and overcharging. Instacart has made some improvements, which is why it's now at the top of the list. In a recent review, number 7140495, one customer praised Instacart for customer service and communication. Very efficient, very quick, and satisfactory. Always a polite delivery person. Always easy to get in touch with Instacart. With a customer service satisfaction rate of 53.9%, just 33.3% of users surveyed would recommend Instacart to their friends, giving the service an NPS of 1301. Comparison of survey results from 2025 versus 2026. While you might think it's Uber Eats versus DoorDash in a battle for the best apps for food delivery, neither company took the top spot in 2025 or 2026. That prize went to Grubhub in 2025 and Instacart in 2026. Here are some other notable changes in our food delivery apps' ranked outcomes. Instacart moved up from the middle position in 2025 to the top spot in 2026. Uber Eats was considered the worst food delivery service in 2025, but moved up 1 spot. Postmates is now at the bottom of the pack. In 2025, DoorDash had a customer satisfaction rate of only 37.21%. That number increased to 48.7% in 2026. All companies except Postmates improved in issue resolution between 2025 and 2026. Postmates dropped from 33.33% issue resolution to 0%. It's definitely not the safest food delivery service, fiscally speaking. Despite an increase in customer satisfaction, DoorDash also saw a drop in recommendations and issue resolution, keeping it out of the top spot. Practical tips for a seamless food delivery experience. Food delivery apps have made ordering groceries and delicious takeout more convenient than ever. But we discovered when compiling this report that things can go wrong with even the best delivery services. Here are a few tips to help you avoid common pitfalls when ordering food and ensure a smoother experience. Double-check your order. We get it, you're hungry. But taking just a few seconds to check your order before completing it might be the best thing you can do today to avoid any consumer issues. Check your delivery address. Don't make the mistake of sending food to your workplace or friend's house when you're sitting at home waiting to be fed. Read the policies before making an order. To avoid unexpected issues with order cancellation or refund, pay attention to the terms and conditions of the service you use. Rate your experience. Whether your experience is good or bad, leaving feedback helps improve future service levels for you and others looking for good food tips. Seek for efficient contact options. If you are faced with any delivery issue, you should contact a company immediately. While many companies do not provide a direct email or phone number, you can check PIS Consumer website for more information. Food delivery apps. Rate your experience. When it comes to comparing food delivery services, it all comes down to customer service. While one company might claim to be the best price food delivery service, it doesn't matter how much you paid if your food never arrives, and the company won't help you resolve the issue. Have food stories of your own to determine which food delivery is better? Leave them in the comments, and don't forget to like this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bite Back Bites. We chew through the nonsense so you don't have